Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some items that I purchased from Sabrina, the Mismatched Crafter's mom. She does awesome crocheting. She does hats, little stuffed animals, and I'm asked if she could do one of these items. And if she had a pattern, she found a pattern and she doubled it for me. But the first thing I picked up was the little superhero guy she had. Isn't he cute? And I asked her if she could put an L on his chest in the back right here for Lakota. This could be a Christmas present for Lakota. And isn't he cute? I love his little face and his mask. So then, because I bought the Pikachu's from her, Pocahontas, Little Mermaid, and Minnie Mouse, and 3 Pikachus for the kids. Well, then when I picked this up, I needed one more homemade crochet item for Allie because I was like, okay, Riley's got 3, but Riley's not getting all of them for Christmas. I'm only picking one and a Pikachu. And then Coda have the Pikachu and the superhero. So I thought I need one for Allie. So I asked if she could make me a dragon. Oh my God, he's so cute. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at this dragon. Look at him. He's so big. He sits up, which is cool because, I mean, look at his tail. I can't get them all in. Let's see if I can bring my camera up so you guys can see him a little bit better. Look at how cute he is. Look at his little face. And she had a smaller pattern, and she was able to make, like, I don't know how she did it, but she made them bigger for me. And look at his little wings. And it's Allie's favorite colors, pink, purple, and blue. Isn't they adorable? And a little lip. It's so cute. So we got that for Allie. And then she also made this. Allie's getting a bonus. I'm going to stick it in her stocking, actually. She made this little dragon like this. You can wrap it around. I think Sabrina said she called it a bookmarker, but I'm thinking that's huge. But I said it'd be cute little, put it around her head as a ear warmer. So I got that one too. So aren't they adorable? Love them. And I got a goodie bag from Sabrina. It is a little cute little goodie bag. Got a Christmas tree on. But you open it. It's items that I was trying to find. And right now, I'm isolated. I can't leave the house again because Scott did test positive for COVID. So it's not like I can run out to Hobby Lobby or anything because even if I had it, I just feel safer staying at home until he's in the clear. So I don't spread it. I don't know how that works. So I needed like little wooden balls. And Sabrina has some, so she sent me some for a future project that I'm doing. So Sabrina's like, I got some of them, I'll send them. And then I wanted some like beard material. So she sent me a little spot of this that she had that I could use for like beards. So that was cool. And then she sent me some eyelash trim of the gold, blue, red, and this iridescent one. And then she sent me some, because I had no Christmas colors of eyelash trim. So it was cool to send me that. So, and some of this other eyelash trim we're looking at. So that was cool. Thank you, Sabrina. Awesome. Because I tell you, I mean, a whole family. Scott's got Kobik, Sam's got Kobik, Coda now has Kobik. So it's like I can't even have Diamond run to the store for me. So I'm kind of stuck at home. And now I'm getting a cold. Yeah. Then, ready, guys? I'm going to creep you guys out now. I'm going to creep you out, Dawn. If you watch this, Dawn. I'll bring my camera back down. Ready? Okay. Sorry if I made you dizzy. Here we go. Ain't he cute? It's a babies. I think he's so awesome. Thank you, Sabrina. And I put a request in one, and Zach actually get a funny story about this one is Sabrina was making me one, and the dog got a hold of it drying. So Zach gave his up for me, and she's gonna make Zach another one. Ready? I like my babies. I think they're so adorable. I know Dawn's probably watching this going, ew, ew. Cute babies. Aren't they cute? I mean, so I thank Sabrina for making me this guy. I laugh because this doll is the doll I sent to her in the Dollar Tree exchange, Alphabet Dollar Tree. I sent her a doll because of a joke. Because they said I creeped them out with my baby dolls, and that's how that started. So I sent Sabrina purposely a baby doll, and she turned it into this guy. I want to say what is this guy from Saw? I don't remember what this guy's from, but I thought they looked so cool. Yeah, I'm weird. But that is my friendship mail Christmas presents. I only have one more gift to buy for Coda Bear. And my Christmas shopping is done because the adults in my life actually get cash. It's much easier to give my son, my daughter, my son-in-law, and my oldest granddaughter, who's 18 now, cash. I do buy them a little something to open, but majority of the gift is cash. Matter of fact, I don't even count that in the $50 because I'll find something for each one of them to open, but to get cash. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you're looking for any homemade crochet items, just reach out to Sabrina, the Mismatched Crafter, and she'll talk to her mom. And she's very reasonable priced. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.